Today, the Ready Rebuilders visit Tim Cozette in Hillsboro, North Dakota. Tim has been a great customer of Ready. We appreciate his business and his support in everything that Ready does. Brett McDonald, one of our rebuild techs, will take us through what is being done on Tim's drill today.
Today we're going to do MOA pins. We're changing out his pivot and his closing wheel pivot. To both of them are going to be bearings. We're putting on new Packer wheels, press wheels, firming wheels. We're changing those out to V8s. Down here, we're doing new boots. We're going to put a stabilizer in, new spring, and then we're doing shifter covers and T-handles, and then we're doing springs, heavy duty, and then in the wheel tracks we're doing a bolt-on closing wheel, notched closing wheel.
As teardown begins, Nate starts with taking off the closing wheel pivots and arms. Then he removes the old depth adjusters. Also, you can't forget about the old cutting discs. The hardest part of this drill was replacing the old seed tubes. Corroded and worn seed tubes create many challenges. Our stainless tubes ensure product is correctly getting to the bottom of your seed furrow. Brett is working on taking out the old bushings in the closing wheel arm and press wheel arm pivots. Nate is right behind him, pulling the grease out of the pivots. Worn row unit pivot pins and bushings result in excessive side-to-side movement, creating several negative impacts on crop yields. Ready's heavy-duty extended wear main opener pins and bushings keep rows straight, remove excess side-to-side movement, and last longer than OEM parts. Pro Stitch Seed Boot Stabilizer is a patented simple bolt-on device designed to fit between the main opener arm boot pivot flanges and the seed boot, eliminating the up and down movement of the seed boot and allowing for a consistent furrow and more even seed placement. Patented bolt-on spiked closing wheel kit from Ready utilizes your existing cast closing wheel and adds the benefits of a spiked closing wheel. It crumbles the furrow sidewall and moves soil more effectively, at the same time not being too aggressive like many of the aftermarket spiked closing wheel options on the market today. This drill is ready to be stored for winter, giving Tim peace of mind for his drill when planting season comes around. This is Ready Performance Ag Parts.